Hey everybody, welcome to the 18th of December, 2024. I'm Connor McIver. Let's look at the daily numbers for Santa Clarita Valley. We're also going to get specifically into Saugus, California in just a moment, but let's look at the overall inventory. Currently 483 active listings all across Santa Clarita Valley. It's going to include the cities of Acton, Agua, Dulce, Newhall, Canyon Country, Castaic, Saugus, Valencia, and Stevenson Ranch. Whew. So there's that. In Santa Clarita, 336 single-family residences are currently for sale, 104 condominiums, and 43 townhomes. One of the things to look at, and I've been talking about this a lot lately because some buyers are going in a little blind, not knowing what those homeowners association dues are and then how much they can increase every year. So that's something as a home buyer that you want to find out. And of course, on top of that, you might have Melrose extra taxes that you're going to be responsible for paying. So that's something else to know going in. And of course, all of this is going to be included in your pre-qualification. It used to be before that it wasn't a lot of consideration given to those numbers. Now, the way the financial markets changed, loans and lending world, they're going to be looking at all those things. And if you have $1,000 a month homeowners association fee, then of course that's going to really impact your ability to purchase as far as the amount goes. So coming soon listings, we have 9 all across Santa Clarita Valley. You want to see those, you can go to my website, santaclaritaopenhouses.com, and then of course /coming soon. I'll be able to send those to you. They have to come directly from an agent to you. Now let's look at this real quick for Saugus, California. Let me give you that update. Right now, average days on market, median days on market, 49 days. That does indicate a relatively steady pace. We do have median listing price at $825,000. We have a median sold price at $786,000. That does show a stable pricing trend. And of course, sellers are receiving very close to their asking price. Average price per square foot, $437 per foot. Now, talking about the homeowners associations, there are going to be CC&Rs. This is something I talked about on yesterday's show. Sellers are going to be paying for these documents to be given to the buyers within escrow, once they get into escrow. And this is not cheap. And I know you're going to tell me, and I've heard this before, you already have it. No, you don't. They're going to need it directly from the HOA. Even if you have a copy of it, maybe you had yours from 10 years ago, there's probably changes, and maybe you're one of those people that pulls out papers, puts the new refreshed papers in for any changes that have been happening in the CC&Rs. But again, they're still going to need it from there, and that could be a few $100s. For you buyers out there, when you're looking at this, you need to look at how it's going to affect your quality of life living in this particular area that happens to be controlled by a homeowners association. If you have pets, that could be a concern. If you like washing your car outside yourself, that could be a concern. There are many reasons to look at the CC&Rs and find out information. And if it's unclear, you need to get the number for the homeowners association. You need to make a phone call. If they're self-managed, getting through to somebody, getting a call back might be more difficult. If they're corporate managed or have a professional management company in control of the HOA, might be a little bit more simple, but it's going to be completely black and white versus kind of a personality and more touchy-feely. So those are the two differences in the different types of HOA management. Watch out for that. Be safe. We are closing out, getting very close to Christmas. This is your Saugus real estate update. You want to see more information about Saugus, California, very simply, santaclaritaopenhouses.com. You'll see Saugus in the bottom there just below my book. I finished that November. It is the updated guide for how to buy and sell real estate in Santa Clarita Valley. It's specific and it is updated for 2025. When you're ready to reach out to me, here's something that I will tell you. Not all lenders are created equal. Not all real estate agents are created equal. Make sure you select a good one. And when you are interviewing agents for the job, you want to find out what they're writing, what's their content, what kind of educational approach do they have to real estate, because it's great that you trust me. That's a wonderful thing. But you need to know factually if what I'm saying is true or not. That goes with anybody else in the field. I know other people in my industry hate hearing this, but this is the price of admission today. With so much fake crap out there, you have to watch out for yourself. And listen, folks, you're buying something that in a traditional sense is going to take you 30 years to pay off. if you do it the way that it's supposed to be handled. But most people don't ever make it. They encumber the property, they take money out on the property, and they usually are moving in 4 to 5 years after they purchase their first residence to upsize or maybe relocate or whatever. Just make sure you're making the good decisions. Read SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. My book's on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the Newhall real estate update. We'll have a full recap and talk about that particular market. I am Connor with Honor. Over and out.